This is part 2 of module number 6, Optimization Modeling for STAT 560, Applied Business Research and Statistics. Let's look at a different problem now. Stevenson & Sons is a manufacturer of a special turf fertilizer used in golf courses in the southeast of the United States. The company produces fertilizer in 4 locations: Macon, Gainesville, Chattanooga, and Charlotte. Sales are managed by 7 independent distributors located in Charleston, Montgomery, Valdosta, Jacksonville, Knoxville, Jackson, and Pensacola. Stevenson's product is sold in big reusable bags with a carrying capacity of 1,000 pounds of fertilizer each. This map shows the different locations for plants as well as distributors. The way this operation works is that the distributors email orders to Mr. Stevenson every Friday before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. With this information, Mr. Stevenson plans the week ahead, considering the inventory available in every plant and ensuring that product is delivered to every distributor before 8 a.m. on Monday. The company has a transportation contract with a less than truckload carrier that charges 95 cents per bag mile. As part of this deal, this carrier does not take more than 100 bags per destination. In this table, we have the size of the order placed by every one of the distribution facilities. And right next to it, we have the inventory available in every plant. Our job now is to distribute this inventory to the different distribution facilities, minimizing total transportation cost. In order to answer these questions, we will employ linear programming. This is a method used to optimize mathematical models when the expression to optimize and the constraints can be expressed with linear functions. The function to be optimized here is a function, in this case, in this example, the function to be optimized is driven by 2 variables and can be expressed through a linear function, and is subject to these constraints, also expressed linearly. The solution to this problem is presented in the first tutorial of this module.